Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Life Captured. I'm Alekhya and
Hi, I'm Rudula.
we both are shopaholics, and because of the pandemic we weren't able to shop much. So we were online shopping.
From past 3 months, we have been adding all our favorites to our wish list, and since the Myntra sale has arrived, we bought all our favorites.
Yay! So as you can read from today's title, this is going to be a Myntra haul part 1. So today we'll be showing you all the palazzo sets that we have bought recently. Let's start unpacking! So the first palazzo set is Anubhuti red and white foil printed kurta with palazzo. So this was originally for 2200 rupees, but on Myntra end of season sale we got it for 898 bucks. So as you can see, the cloth, it is made of rayon, and it has gold prints on it. My sister has tried it on and you can see it. Um, and it has 3 by 4 hands. And coming to the pants, this is a palazzo pant, and this is white. It also has gold prints on it. This is also made of the same fabric, and this actually feels really comfortable. You can like wear it outside, and even in hot climate you can wear it outside. It's comfortable, and you can wear it for some small get-togethers with your family.
It is purple and off-white kurta set from Libas. Anybody would love to buy this kurta just because of the brightness and color of this kurta, and that is the only reason I bought it. The sleeves of this kurta is 3/4, and the fabric of this kurta is polyester. It is so smooth and soft. It is a designer dupatta. It has got golden hangings, and which makes it look very beautiful. The original price of this dress is 3700 and we bought it for 1300. The plazo, it has a golden print at the bottom of this plazo.
Next one is blue and green palazzo set by Sangria. This is originally 2500 bucks, but we got it for 999 rupees only. And as you can see, it has a really nice design, blue and green, and this is made up of rayon fabric, and the hands are 3/4. And the palazzo pants, this is plain green palazzo pants, and this feels so comfortable. It's the same fabric, so comfortable you can wear it all day without any problem. And pockets, this dress has pockets. That is what girls want. We crave for pockets. We want pockets. That's the best part about this dress.
It is an off-white kurta set from Libas. The color makes it look so classy that anybody would love to buy it. The original price of this dress is 4400 and I bought it for 1500. The sleeves is elbow length. The fabric of this kurta is polyester, and it is a party wear dress. The plazo, it has a thread work, and you can see that it has brown color stripes thread. It looks so good because of it.
The last one is blue and golden kurta set from Libas, and this is the pink version of it. We liked it so much that we bought the same dress, 2 different colors.
The original price of this dress is 3500 and we bought it for 1500.
And the cloth, it is made of cotton, and the hands, it is 3 by 4 hands, and as you can see, we have tried it on.
The plazo, it is also blue and golden stripes. It is very comfortable to wear, and it is also a party wear dress.
really comfortable. You can wear it like anywhere.
We hope you liked the video, and all the links for the dresses are given below in the description.
Don't get confused. She is the elder one and I am the younger one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Bye. Thank you for watching.